Hey everybody, I'm Ricci. I'm rolling out in my 2017 Ram ProMaster City, and I'm in Sarasota, Florida at Siesta Beach, but it is red tide, which my top is very fitting. Red tide is this terrible organism killing all the fish and causing a respiratory illness where I got to the beach this morning. I didn't bring my phone, I left it in the car, and I just started coughing like crazy. I have a runny nose. I was sneezing. I'm like, what is going on? And I noticed everyone else around me was coughing. And I asked the guy, I'm like, what is going on? Am I allergic to something? Or is there something in the air? And I didn't even have to walk by the beach yet and to notice all these dead fish. And he's like, yeah, it's a red tide right now, which is terrible. So I didn't even make it an hour, and now I'm back out to my van. I'm going to go back there to show you guys all these dead fish, but I'm getting out of here because it's terrible. I mean, this is just, I can't stand sitting on the beach. There's a lot of people actually wearing masks. People are sitting as far away as they possibly can. I had no idea this was happening. And now, I can't believe it. It's too bad because Siesta Beach is the #1 beach in the USA. Anyways, there's a farmer's market in Sarasota. It's a Saturday today, so it's about 20 minutes away. I'm going to try and hit up that. And then I have a special something surprise for this afternoon and tonight. So let's go show you these fish and then let's get out of here.
I'll give thanks to you, Lord, and sing praise to your name, O Most High. I'll declare your love in the morning and your faithfulness by night. For you, O Lord, have made me glad. I will sing for joy at the works of your hand and rejoice at what you have done. I'll give thanks.
All right, little farmer's market haul. I got some beautiful sunflowers and some kettle corn.
I'll declare your love in the morning and your faithfulness by night. For you, oh Lord, have made me glad. I will sing for joy at the work of your hand and rejoice in what you have done and rejoice.
I told you I had something exciting, and it was that I'm going to Caroline's mom's house, which is where I am right now, and I'm really enjoying myself. She has a nice pool, and it's the perfect little relaxation that I needed. I have been in my van for 2 months, not one single night out of my van for the last 2 months. The last time I was in a real bed in a home was when I was in New Orleans on New Year's. So I really needed to do laundry. I really needed to have, just a little bit of comfortability, sit in a couch, swim in a pool, and I got it. Cheers to me. And a big thank you to Caroline and her mom. Hello. Woo! All right, Caroline's mom has bikes, and I just pumped up the tires on this boy. Biking through the neighborhood, baby. Good morning. It is the next day. I just got out of church and now I'm headed to Anna Maria Island, so I'm excited for another beach day. I'm going to give it a try. Hopefully there's no red tide here. I didn't look it up, but I'm just hoping that's far enough away that it will be a nice clean beach. Anyways, I just want to say thank you again to Caroline's mom, Kat, because it was so generous and nice of her to open up her home to me. And it was less than 24-hour period, just rejuvenated me. I had a great night's sleep and I'm very thankful. So unfortunately the red tide is still here, and good thing I got this bandana from the HIV people yesterday in that market because it's bad. I'm not at the beach right now. I'm just gonna walk around the town. Apparently there's a cute street here on the island called Bridge Street that has a bunch of nice shopping. So I'm headed there. honestly took my bandana off. Maybe it's the alcohol that's hitting me. So I walked in that bar without my wallet. I go up to the lady, I say, do you take Apple Pay? She says no. So I asked the person next to me, do you have Venmo? I can Venmo you for my drink. Because it's happy hour and I just thought, you know what, I haven't had a drink in a while. I'm gonna get something. I love a, you know, a nice slushy drink on a cold day, on a hot day. Cold drink on a hot day. Anyways, they bought the drink for me, and then I didn't have my ID, of course, and she's like, oh, you look 21. I'm like, I don't know if I should take that as a compliment. But I had a fun time on Bridge Street. I also bought a maple donut, which was delicious. Well, I guess I am coughing a little bit. But the beach is so beautiful. I'm gonna go for a walk. We'll see. So I'm kind of in the middle of the island now, but I want to get to the end. It's about 6 miles from me. So I could probably do it in 2 hours if I walk fast. But we'll see how far I get. Just enjoying the beach.
You made me glad. How great are you, Jesus? There's nobody like you. You have made me sing it out. You have made me. He's been better to me than I've been to myself. Yes, he has. Put a song down in my heart. I love you, Jesus, 'cause you made me glad. You have made me so long. Oh Lord, great and greatly to be praised. How great, yeah. How great are your works, Lord? You're so good.
All right, I need to end this vlog, and I'm gonna end it at Culver's. I know I shouldn't do it, but it just had to be done. So, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!